Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, this is our social studies class. Let's start chapter 5, We and Clothes. Okay, so open your book at page number 18. Let's read the chapter, children. Follow your book. We all wear clothes to cover our bodies. Good clothes make us look beautiful and smart. Beautiful and smart. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. They also protect us from dust and dirt. So, children, we wear clothes to cover our bodies and to look smart. Okay, and clothes also protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, insects. Okay, clothes for different seasons. Now you all know we wear different clothes in different seasons. Like we wear different clothes in different seasons. It is hot in summer, so we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. So in summer we wear cotton clothes which keep us cool, and we get cotton from cotton plants. Okay. It is cold in winter, so we wear woolen clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes like sweater, shawl. Okay. We get wool from the sheep. So, we get wool from the sheep. Woolen clothes keep us warm. During rainy season, we wear raincoats to keep us dry. We wear raincoats, gumboots, and also we use umbrellas to keep us dry. And so, children, we wear different clothes in different seasons. Like we wear cotton clothes in summer, which keep us cool, and we get cotton from cotton plants. Next, we use woolen clothes in winter, which keep us warm, and we get wool from sheep. And we use raincoats, gumboots, etc. in rainy season. Next page. 19, page 19. Kinds of dresses. Now, children, different people wear different types of dresses. Boys wear t-shirts or shirts and shorts or pants. Girls wear frocks, skirts, blouses, and jeans and tops. So, you can see, children, look at the picture given here. Girls and boys wear different types of clothes. Next, men wear shirts, trousers, and kurta pajama. Women wear saris, blouses, and salwar kurtas. Okay. Uniform. Now, uniform is a special type of dress. Children, special type of dress is called uniform. School children wear school uniforms where they go to school, when they go to school. People who do special job also wear uniforms. Can you name them? Yes, doctor, nurse, postman, policeman, firefighters all wear uniforms as they do special jobs. So, children, uniform is a special dress. School children wear school uniforms, and other people wear uniform according their job. Next, identify the following dress items, match them with their names. So, children, names of dresses given here, you can see. Read the names first. Trousers, skirt, kurta, shirt, sari, blouse, pajama, frock, top. And now look at the pictures and you can match them very easily, like trousers. This one is trousers. So write the name below the particular dress. Write here trousers with pencil. Okay. Skirt. Where is skirt? This is skirt. So write here skirt. Shirt. Kurta. Where is kurta? Find out and then write below it. In this way, children, complete this page. Write the names of dresses below their pictures. Okay. So we are going to repeat this chapter again, children. हम लोग इस चैप्टर में क्या सीखे हैं? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हम लोग क्लोथ्स, सबसे पहले आपको ये जानना पड़ेगा क्यों हम लोग क्लोथ्स यूज़ करते हैं. वाई डू वी वेयर क्लोथ्स? वी वेयर क्लोथ्स टू कवर आवर बॉडीज एंड टू लुक स्मार्ट. And clothes also protect our bodies from heat, cold, rain and dust and insects. सो क्लोथ्स हम लोग क्यों पहनते हैं? ताकि हम लोग अपने बॉडी को कवर कर सके और इससे क्या होता है, हम लोग स्मार्ट भी दिखते हैं और हीट, कोल्ड, रेन, डस्ट, इंसेक्ट ये सब से भी क्लोथ्स हमारे बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. इसलिए हम लोग क्लोथ्स यूज़ करते हैं. और क्लोथ्स आप लोग देख सकते हो कि डिफरेंट सीजन में हम लोग डिफरेंट तरह के क्लोथ्स यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि समर में हम लोग कॉटन क्लोथ्स यूज़ करते हैं और कॉटन हम लोगों को कहाँ से मिलता है? प्लांट से. कॉटन प्लांट से. ठीक है. फिर हम लोग विंटर में वुलन क्लोथ्स यूज़ करते हैं और वूल हम लोगों को कहाँ से मिलता है? शीप से. और नेक्स्ट जब रेनी सीजन होता है तो हम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? रेन कोट और गम बूट्स, ये सब, जो कि ये सब हम लोगों को रेन में वेट होने से यानी भीगने से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि डिफरेंट पीपल डिफरेंट तरह के ड्रेसेस यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि गर्ल्स अलग तरह के, गर्ल्स क्या? फ्रॉक, स्कर्ट, ब्लाउज, जीन्स, टॉप्स, ये सब. बॉयज़ क्या पहनते हैं? टी शर्ट, शर्ट, शॉर्ट्स, पैंट्स, ये सब. मेन एंड वेमेन भी अलग अलग तरह के ड्रेसेस पहनते हैं. यूनिफॉर्म क्या होता है? यूनिफॉर्म एक स्पेशल ड्रेस है. यूनिफॉर्म से पता चलता है कि वो कौन से काम करते हैं. जैसे कि यूनिफॉर्म पहने हुए, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं जब वो लोग स्कूल जाते हैं. और भी बहुत सारे जॉब है, और भी बहुत सारे काम है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो डॉक्टर, नर्स, पोस्टमैन, पुलिसमैन, फायर फाइटर्स, ये सब भी यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. ओके. तो ये हो गया. और नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे कुछ ड्रेस के नेम दिए हुए हैं और पिक्चर ये आपको मैच करना है. सो चिल्ड्रेन, important points that you should remember: we need clothes to cover our body. Clothes make us look smart and beautiful. Clothes protect us from dust, dirt, heat, cold, rain, etc. ये ETC इसका मतलब होता है etc, यानी ऐसे और भी बहुत कुछ. ठीक है. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Boys and girls, men and women wear different kinds of dresses. Uniform is a common dress for a school, office, factory, etc. Now tick the correct option. Exercise. This is at page number 20. Who among the following wear clothes? Who among the following wear clothes? Can you see the names given here? Lion, peacock, humans, monkeys. So, who among the following, who among these wear clothes? Yes. Humans. Okay, humans. Lion, peacock, monkeys, ये सब तो clothes नहीं पहनते ना. हम humans पहनते तो humans clothes पहनते. Number 2, which of the following is not winter dress? Sweater, frock, coat, shawl. You know, children, sweater, coat, shawl all are winter dresses. Frock is not winter dress, so you have to take this one. Okay. Next, number 3, boys do not wear sarees, t-shirts, shorts, trousers. Boys do not wear sarees. Who doesn't wear a uniform? Who doesn't wear a uniform? School children, policemen, postmen, housewives. School children, policemen, postmen wear uniform. Housewife doesn't wear uniform. So this one is correct here. So complete after this part. In our next class, we will complete the exercise and we will revise all the 5 chapters. Okay. Thank you.